Wait, but I want to record.
Hey vlog, we're here, ready to slay the day.
Slay. No,
we're gonna go on. What ride are we going on?
I don't know. I think we're going on the back shot.
Dude, let's go.
Look at the pirates. He said, "Ooh." Wait, I don't know what.
Where are we going? Oh, bitch, I almost saw. Really? Oh, that's hot. That's kind of hot. Sorry. We're going on paint tie, guys.
Paint time.
Oh.
Time.
Paint time. Guys, look at this ride. Oh, wait, how do you turn the camera?
To flip it.
Wait, how?
I don't know. Double tap.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Y'all, let's go on this hole.
It's funny to be recorded.
Bombastic side eye, criminal offensive side.
Look, I'm recording them. They can't get mad. With your feet.
Why are the flash on?
Wait, how do I turn it on? There, I turned it off.
He has flash on.
Oh, hold on tight. Oh, wait, he's coming.
Short ass fucking what's Miguel's girl's name? Charlene.
Push on, pull up, down.
Fantastic night here at Dairy Farm.
Girl, shut the fuck up. You thought you ate that? Bitch,
We going on the personnel because we got lit.
Who? My face.
Bitch, you can't even see your face.
Saw that. I said. Ooh, who's that?
No. I said no. You can kill all that right now. Like at this moment, stop.
I already know it. Oh, we got wet.
Oh my god!
I don't want to look.
I'm so wet! Just like last night. What?
I am. You guys are gonna get wet.
So the bitch that decided she wanted to come and harm my daughter's property also harmed my property because I got to take care of that. So I have a problem with you. So as soon as we find out who you are, trust you will be dealt with.
Period.